I'm gonna add a little oil to my pan. I'm using avocado oil. And I'm gonna add a small onion, which I chopped finely. We're gonna cook that for a few minutes until it's translucent and softened, okay? It'll take about 5 minutes. I'm gonna add 3 garlic cloves, which I minced. 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, or regular, maybe 4 or 5 sprigs of thyme. You can use dried thyme if you want. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of oil. We want those spices to cook. I'm going to be using 32 ounces of vegetable stock. I'm just gonna add a little bit to scrape this. I'm gonna add 2 bay leaves. Press those against the heat. This is a small squash which I peeled and just chopped. The quantities don't really have to be exact. I'm gonna add a little more of that stock. Let that cook for a couple minutes. This smells really good. I have a cup of red lentils, which I washed. If you don't have red lentils, you can use the brown ones, no problem. I'm gonna add the rest of that stock. This is what I'm using, just vegetable stock, vegetable broth, low sodium. You want to use, water, that's fine. Finally, I'm going to add a 28 ounce or 793 gram can of diced tomatoes. I'm going to season this with salt and pepper. Alright, I'm going to cover this pot and let it simmer for about 25 minutes until the lentils and the squash are cooked. This is ready. I'm going to turn off the heat. I'm going to take out the bay leaves, and because I don't have an immersion blender, I'm going to let this cool down and then I'm going to blend it completely and come back to you. But if you had an immersion blender, just go ahead and blend it inside the pot, okay? Don't put hot liquids in your blender because it'll blow off the top and you'll have a big mess, so be patient. Here's our delicious lentil bisque. I'm gonna heat it through and serve it. Make sure you taste it for salt and adjust. I did already and it's fine. It's completely optional, but I'm gonna add a little bit of pumpkin seeds on top just for a little crunch. And I don't have any because I'm trying not to eat it, but serve this with a nice piece of crusty bread. Oh, delicious. I'm also gonna put a little bit of scallion green on top for garnish. You can do parsley, cilantro, or nothing. A bowl full of goodness. This is a bisque, so of course it's thick and it's very filling, full of fiber. Very good. I hope you try this. It is fantastic. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm gonna see you soon.